SEO isn't dead. How LLMO, AEO, and GEO help you get seen in the age of AI. Why AI visibility starts with strong SEO, and how to use large language model optimization, answer engine optimization, and generative engine optimization to get cited by search and AI systems. If Google can't see you, AI won't either. The future of visibility isn't one or the other, it's both. If you've heard someone say SEO is dead, they're wrong. Search engine optimization is still the foundation of online visibility. But with AI now sitting on top of search, deciding what gets cited, summarized, and recommended, you also need to think about LLMO, AEO, and GEO. Here's how each one works, and how you can start applying them today. What is LLMO, Large Language Model Optimization, and how can you use it? LLMO is about making your content easier for AI systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity to read, understand, and trust. AI pulls answers from websites it can clearly parse. If your site is poorly structured or missing key metadata, you're invisible to these models, even if your blog post is brilliant. How to implement LLMO. Right now, add structured data, schema markup to your blog posts, e.g., blog posting and FAQ page schema in JSON LD format. Write clear headings, H2, H3, with specific natural questions AI can use directly. Use descriptive alt text for all images, not just image1.jpg, but tax expert explaining crypto audit defense process. Example, if you run a fitness coaching site instead of a generic heading like nutrition tips, use H2. What are the best nutrition tips for marathon runners? Then answer it clearly in the next paragraph. Now, when someone asks an AI that question, your site is in the running to be cited. What is AEO, Answer Engine Optimization? And how do you start applying it? AEO focuses on structuring your content so it can be lifted into AI snippets, knowledge panels, and voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Think. Clear conversational questions as headings concise, accurate answers directly below minimal filler, just what the reader and AI needs. How to implement AEO. Right now. Write FAQ sections in plain language with direct, single-paragraph answers. Include lists and bullet points for quick AI extraction. Keep answers between 40-60 words when possible for snippet-friendly formatting. Example, instead of, "We provide services that help businesses grow their visibility online," write, Q. How can I increase my business's online visibility in 2025? A. Focus on strong SEO fundamentals, publish expert blog content weekly, and ensure your site uses structured metadata so AI systems can easily cite your work in search results. What is GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, and how can you benefit from it? GEO prepares your content for AI-powered search experiences like Google's AI Overviews, Bing Copilot, and Perplexity. In GEO, your goal is to become the cited source when AI builds its answers. How to implement GEO. Right now, publish original research, stats, or case studies. AI prefers citing unique data. Use entity-based SEO, clearly name people, brands, tools, so AI can connect your content to known knowledge graphs. Add internal links between related posts to strengthen topical authority. Example, if you publish a blog about the top 10 crypto tax mistakes, include your own audit case study or statistic. In 2024, 63% of our clients who received an IRS crypto audit letter failed to report DeFi staking rewards. That's the kind of unique detail Google AI Mode loves to cite. How does EEAT help you get cited in AI search results? Google and AI systems look for experience. Have you actually done what you're talking about? Expertise. Are you qualified in your subject? Authoritativeness. Do other trusted sites link to or mention you? Trustworthiness. Is your site secure, accurate, and transparent? How to improve EEAT. Right now, add an author bio with credentials on every blog post. Link to reputable sources in your content, e.g., Google Quality Rater Guidelines, government sites, or trusted industry sites. Show real-world experience, photos, examples, testimonials. Example. If you're a travel blogger writing about Lisbon, don't just list best cafes in Lisbon. Add, I've lived in Lisbon for 3 years and visit these cafes weekly. Here's why they stand out. That signals experience AI can detect and value. Does front-end plus backend optimization really help AI trust your site? Yes, if you have a well-written front-end and a well-structured backend, you're more likely to be cited. Front-end, readable text, logical headings, quality writing. Backend, metadata, schema, alt text, internal linking, fast load speed. Example, a cooking site with front-end, step-by-step recipes with clear measurements. Backend, recipe schema, ingredient lists in machine-readable format, nutrition data. That site is ready for both Google search and AI citations. Why publishing blogs is still the smartest move for AI plus SEO. Blogs aren't just for SEO anymore. They're your ongoing proof of expertise. Each post is another chance to rank in Google search. Get pulled into AI answers, build credibility over time. Example, if you post one high-quality blog a week for a year, you'll have 52 opportunities for AI to find, parse, and cite you, compared to someone who posts sporadically. Here are the questions we hear most often, and some straight answers that might just make you rethink how your site's set up. First up, what's the difference between LLMO, AEO, and GEO? LLMO optimizes your content for large language models like ChatGPT. AEO focuses on structuring content so AI and voice assistants can give direct answers. GEO prepares your site for AI-powered search engines like Google's AI overviews, increasing your chances of being cited. Here's another one we get a lot. Do I really still need SEO if AI is taking over search? Absolutely. SEO is the foundation that AI builds on. Search engines and AI systems both rely on well-structured, authoritative websites. Without strong SEO, your content might not even be visible to AI models, meaning you won't show up in their answers or citations. Next question, how can I make my blog content more AI-friendly? Use clear, question-based headings, concise answers, and structured data like FAQ page or blog posting schema. Include internal links, descriptive alt text for images, and unique insights or data. These steps help AI understand, trust, and cite your content. Another one that comes up a lot. What's the easiest way to start improving EEAT? Add author bios with credentials to each post, link to reputable sources, and show real-world experience. This can be as simple as including examples, photos, or case studies that prove you've done what you're teaching. And finally, can I get cited by AI without creating new content? Yes. By updating and optimizing your existing content, you can become AI citable without publishing anything new. Add structured data, improve headings, refresh stats, and make your answers concise. Even old blog posts can rank in AI results once they're properly formatted. If you're still unsure how to apply this, or you want expert help boosting your visibility across Google, AI search, and LLMs, visit AIVisibilityStudio.com. We specialize in making your content citable, searchable, and seen.